Custom-built, lakefront log cabin home situated on 2.1 acres of land is minutes to Chautauqua Institution, restaurants and shopping. This property built in 2004 offers today's amenities including radiant heat floors in the lower level. Home offers 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings ideal for entertaining family and friends. Expansive deck with views of the lake, 4-car garage for all you summer and winter toys, gazebo to enjoy outdoor picnics and steps away to your quality aluminum dock. A must-see to appreciate the quality and workmanship of this property.